Okay guys, this is a 2021 Kia Telluride EX all-wheel drive, presented you from Real Deal Auto. Rebuilt title, damage was on this front side, all been fixed up. V6. It does have clear bra on the hood, some good tires, side steps, $61,686 on the miles, adaptive cruise, lane assist, blind spot monitors, heated cooled seats, heated steering wheel, navigation, backup camera, wireless charging. It does have a locking differential, your auto hold button, your smart key. No airbags deployed on this one. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Closer look at the seat. VIN number. It does have the sunshades. This is an 8-passenger, a little tougher to find. 3 seat belts in the back, 3 in the front, 3 in the middle. Temperature control here in the rear. Does have the hitch here on the rear. Power lift gate. Got some good tires. Damage is right through here, all been fixed up, ready to go. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.